Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix Impulse app not working in your device. So let's get started. So the first is to open here the app. So here we can see it is Impulse Brain Game app. So here we can see. So to fix it you have to click on here and then click on this I button. After that you have to scroll down and click on here the storage button. Then you have to clear the data. After cleaning the data, you have to open the app. If it's work, then it's fine. If it's not work, you have to check for the update. So here you have to go to the google.com and you have to search for the app. And at here we can see it. So here you have to check for the update and click on the update button and it will be updated and you can use it. So the third solution is to reinstall the app. So here you have to go and click on here and click on the install button. Then to click on install. Then here you have to reinstall the app and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.